How to find wallet address on Binance app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can find wallet address on Binance app. For this, you want to open the Binance app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to tap on the wallet icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you land here, you want to tap on the deposit option. Now, you want to find your currency. So if you want Bitcoin, go ahead and tap on the BTC option. If you do not find it here manually, you can tap on the search icon and then search your coins from here as well. Once you have selected it, you will have to select your network from here. So go ahead and choose your preferred network. After you select your network, now it is going to show you the deposit address over here. Now you can either copy the code or share it directly using different platforms such as Messenger or WhatsApp. And from there you will be able to find your wallet address. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.